Greetings all, I'm Dr. Xeturah Woodley. I am a retired community college administrator and a former university professor who now owns a small business here in Albuquerque, New Mexico, where I provide consulting services to doctoral students, authors, and career educators, as well as I'm now opening up a stationery shop as part of what I do in my business. So hi and welcome. All right, on today's video, I thought what I'd do is I would take you along with me as I produce magnetic bookmarks. Now, I have magnetic bookmarks I'll be selling in my shop. By the way, save the date. The shop is launching on Sunday, March 15th in just over a week. Sunday, March 15th at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And you should be able to access it by going to theintentionalinkwell.com. Now, you can go over to the Intentional Inkwell right now and get yourself on the mailing list. People who are on the mailing list will receive a coupon to get a discount on that first day. And so anyway, I want to share with you today, as I'm preparing for that launch, I need to make magnetic bookmarks today. So I'm going to give you some time just to be with me as I print and cut those, as well as package the magnetic bookmarks. All right, let's get started. These are coming out like garbage, and I don't know why. Oh, it worked. This is much better. Much, much better. So see how that's much clearer? Okay, so that is the whole process that I have to go through when cutting and packaging the bookmarks. So let me show you the bookmarks that I made today. These are part of my New Mexico collection. And so the first one is this one. All right, so this first one is a couple of tacos. I love this one, and it has little hearts in the green foldy part. So that's the first one. So this next one is a plant with cacti in it, with the cactus in it. Now listen, I have a couple of different kind of plants. Let me show you the next one. But this one is it just reminds me of home, reminds me of New Mexico. So this is a second potted plant that I have available. This one I think is another one of the Porthos plants, which are my favorite. You'll see them around the studio, but here is a second kind of plant. This one is all about New Mexico. It is the land of enchantment. And I don't know if you can see them or not, but I've put some red chilies on the brace part, on the part that folds over. But this one says the land of enchantment. Okay, this one is for those of us that are girls who love burritos. This one is just a girl who loves burritos. This is my burrito one. Love that one. Okay, I can't do one for New Mexico without having a balloon. You know, we have Balloon Fiesta here in Albuquerque every fall. And so this one is all about balloons in New Mexico. I love this one. Okay, out of the whole New Mexico collection, this is my favorite one. It says spicy. Now, those of you who know us, we always say, do you want green chili or red chili? They actually ask, would you like green or red? For those of you who don't understand what that means chili. And I've pulled together a spicy chili that has green chili on one side, red chili on the other side, and Christmas in the middle. So this one is my favorite. It really represents New Mexico to me. Now, here's the last thing I'll say about the bookmarks. On the back side of every bookmark that you get, I try to put a warning message on there about the magnets that are on here. Each of them, as you saw me put them together, has magnets. You just want to make sure that you know that these have small parts. These are not really made for, none of my clients are little kids. And so you want to make sure that you keep these away from kids, children, and pets. All right, so spicy is my favorite. Okay, that is it for today. Now listen, don't forget, I do not record on Saturdays. I don't work on Saturdays. That is my Sabbath day. It's the one day that I get to spend resting, recuperating, and connecting more deeply with God. And so for me, Saturday, I won't be recording, although what I may try and do is pull together a short that goes out late at night on Saturday night after the Sabbath. I might do that. But otherwise, don't expect a posting on Saturday. That is it for today. Thanks so much for watching and have a terrific weekend.